fall for the trap at point A. Line AT is a tangent to this circle. Therefore, BAT is not a straight line. So you cannot subtract 42 from 180 to get this remaining angle. To find angle ACB, you don't need too many steps. You only need two hidden circle theorems. Let's start with this angle given to us. This angle is formed between tangent AT and chord AD. The secret here is this angle here, 42 degree, is equal to this angle at C in the alternate segment. Therefore, angle ACD is equal to 42 degree. Now, let's focus our attention on this point A, B, C, and D. These 4 points touches the circle at different points, forming a cyclic quadrilateral. So we have one of the angles at D to be 115 degree. We can apply the circle theorem that says opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral sum up to 180 degree. So we're going to have angle B plus angle D to be equal to 180 degree, right? So angle B will be equal to 180 degree minus 115 degree. So angle B therefore is equal to 65 degree. So we have this opposite angle to be equal to 65 degree. We are one step closer to finding this missing angle. Notice that line AB is parallel to line CD, right? So therefore, this line AC is serving as a transversal between these two parallel lines. And when you have two parallel lines and a transversal, alternate angles and corresponding angles are formed. So therefore, this angle here is an alternate interior angle to this angle at A. So both angles are equal to 42 degrees. All right. Now let's focus our attention on the left side of this circle. We have a complete triangle ABC. In this triangle, we have two known angles, right? We have 42 degree and 65 degree. We can conveniently find this missing angle since all interior angles of a triangle sum up to 180 degree. So therefore, we have angle C plus angle B plus angle A equal to 180 degree. Angle C is the unknown angle plus angle B, which is 65 degree, plus angle A, which is 42 degree, equals 180 degree. Angle C therefore is equal to 180 degree minus 107 degree. Angle C is equal to 73 degree. And there you have it. If this step-by-step breakdown helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to Math Easy. I am Math Easy. Let's keep making math easy.